3-piece set. This kids' furniture set includes 2 comfy pink chairs and 1 trendy table. Indoor activity table. Use the play table for crafts, creativity, or a cozy tea party, then rest your feet with 2 little toddler chairs. Wooden legs, sleek and sturdy for added stability and style. Made of natural wood. No tools needed, assembly is easy peasy, just spin the legs on and voila. Easy cleaning, simply wipe this kids' furniture with a damp cloth. Party of 4, add more kids' chairs with our kid-century modern chair set. Dimensions. This toddler table measures approximately 26 L x 21.65 W x 19.33 H, and the chairs are 14.6 L x 16.4 W x 26 H each. Top reviews from the United States. Granddaughter loves it. Purchased for my 2-year-old granddaughter. I am terrible at assembling anything, so I was very thankful this item was so simple to put together. The set is adorable and just the right size. My granddaughter loves it and uses it every time she visits. Perfect for meals or playtime and easy to clean. Perfect item to give as a gift as well. I would not hesitate to buy this item again.